Now take the sausage. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. And now close it up. And before you know it, you have a sandwich. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to continuation of the camping vlog. We have set up our fire pit, our 2 tents. We've chopped up about 47 logs.
47?
52? I don't know. We have about 13 beers left. Maybe 12.
That's scary.
Is that not enough? Well, last time, as I recall, we got a 12-pack each, and you had 5 beers. You had more beer in the morning before the... Dude, you literally had more beer in the morning before the ride than you did the night of the camping. God damn it, Jay. We're basically on the edge of the Catskill Park. Catskill Reserves, I believe it's called, or something like that. So whenever I go camping, I always roll cigarette. I don't smoke normally, like when I'm back in the city, but it's something really cool about like rolling some tobacco, you know, and letting up a hand roll, like you know, like cowboys, like, you know, when you camp, you know what I'm talking about, Jason.
Oh, totally.
Don't laugh at me.
Cowboys.
You know what I mean? Like people smoke like hand rolled cigarettes when they camp. With a beer, it goes. It's like cigar. Like some people smoke cigars. I smoke little rolled tobacco. So guys, ignore this.
I get it.
Ignore this. Look at Jay. He's building. We're starting the idea. I almost was gonna set up a tripod shot and do it that way, but we laced the outside of our fire pit with beer cans for insulation. That's like a pro tip. You learn it, like if you ever hike in Alaska and you camp in Alaska, you learn little tips like that. And technically, this fire is big enough for us to survive on. We don't even have to build it up. We cut all that for nothing.
I'm about to pee on it.
To cremate it. No.
Christen.
Christen. Any freaking way. There's hope. This right here is our fire. And we situated this little rack next to it. So it gets pretty hot over here, but it's a little bit indirect in a way. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna push the coals over a tiny bit. And these are logs being dried. And we got like a bunch of logs over here. And in a minute, it's gonna be sausage time. Oh, all night. There's been inappropriate humor. I'm so happy that I'm cutting only bits and pieces of this vlog and not showing you the whole night, because the whole night you don't want to see.
Terrible.
So we got some sweet homemade sausage from random supermarket in Walton, New York. And now we're gonna slice off. Make the next piece a little longer. That's gonna be my pink. Yeah, I want it to be hanging off the bun. I like my sausage to be a little longer than the bun. We got Portuguese bread rolls. I find that those toast up perfectly and they taste really fresh, whether they're fresh or not. I think that's a good distance. And that one will just slice up and pick at like cats. We don't have any sauces or anything. We just have bread and sausage. We kind of went minimum with the delivery. And look at our fire. For a second we were a bit concerned that we're not gonna have coals because the wood is a little bit dry, wet. As you can see, we're drying it. But we actually have a pretty beautiful bed of coals. And we have a poker stick over there. Hey Jay, can you pass me that poker stick? I'm gonna push a couple of coals over. Just like that. See? Beautiful little setup. And that piece of plastic is gonna season our food. So we're gonna put the sausage on. One beautiful link at a time. These two are connected, but not for long. It's fine, just like that. And then this big boy will go here. So yeah, that sausage is cooking. We got Portuguese rolls. And I'm just taking this video now because there's a chance I'm not gonna be videoing when I'm about to eat them in like 7 minutes. But yeah, that's the food for the night. Some Italian sweet sausage. All right, it's time. We just had some cucumbers, some fresh cucumbers, a little taste. This is my bread. It's really hot. I don't know how I'm gonna hold the camera. Oh boy. Oh. Okay. Put it on this rock right here. Now I'll take the sausage. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. And now close it up. And before you know it, you have a sandwich. Oh yeah. And we got a couple more. Still cooking. Bon appetit. Well, ladies and gents, we have survived a night in the wild Catskills. This is my tent. That's NYC Scrambler's tent. This is the chainsaw. Showed it to you yesterday. It's a nice little size. It's not too big. It gets the job done. I could see I use for a bigger chainsaw, but let's not get crazy. That's only as big as I can strap on the motorcycle. This is my hatchet. This thing was 20 bucks, and I've been using it for...
Chopping rocks.
How many times do you think we've camped with these things already? Like 20?
Fucking every time, yeah.
Yeah, and this thing is still... I haven't sharpened it, which is savage. I guess you can see the ledge, the edge, the razor blade part is not razor bladey. So that's that. That's our little fire. I'm already finishing my first cup of coffee, working my way towards the second one. Jay over here is building. Look at that. Look at the merge, bro. Oh shit. I ride motorcycles in New York.
Get yours at
www.ducknyc.com. Come on, guys.
subscribe and like.
Don't you guys?
Smash that like button.
Yeah, smash that like button. So anyway, this is gonna be our... We're gonna squat on this land indefinitely. So we're deciding whether we're gonna build a raised platform over here, 10 by 10, on this little hill, or off of here so you can walk into it like a porch. What do you guys think? Platform over there, platform over here. Because the thing is, this could be a platform like a porch, and that could be like a lean-to. That one could be smaller, but it can be covered in case it starts, in case it's a wet day. But then we also want to put up a tarp. But if we chop down these trees, it's gonna be hard to do. Unless we do like a tarp to like those far trees. Look, like a giga tarp. Like fucking like 80 by 80.
I don't think we should cut this tree down.
No, I don't think we should. I think I like that one.
Because it's good for possibly tying tarps.
Yeah.
to.
But the little ones here,
Yeah,
gotta
the
go.
little ones.
Because what's
Look at these trees, are so long and straight. These are great for just building
Yeah.
lean-to because just cut your sections.
And we also gonna build a tripod over this fire because it got some chain and everything. So we're gonna make it nice and strong, and then we can boil waters and things. And we also plan on getting a tomahawk steak, like those cartoon steaks you see on TV. Seasoning it and just cooking it here. It's gonna be a grand finale. But yeah, I'm gonna chill, a couple more coffees, go back to the real world. Well, ladies and gents, the camp out is over for this time. There will be more. We got big plans, as I discussed the last time we spoke. Gonna do a platform, gonna do some tripods, some seating, maybe bring out a cooler, Ducati red. And yeah, until next time, boys and girls, I'm gonna leave this rack here. Yep. Gonna strap the chainsaw to the bike and ride home back to Brooklyn. Ducati NYC out. And that's Scrambler from Queens. He says NYC Scrambler. I think more appropriate would be Richmond County. No, that's Staten Island. That's even worse. That's an insult. Anyway, he's from Queens, but I guess we'll let him rep New York. It's fine. I feel like Brooklyn is more New York than Queens. Wow. Bye.